Gas Girls at Chatswood. Are you stuck at home with the kids, running out of hot water? If you've got one of those big, bulky, old gas storage tanks, and you now put in a new gas instantaneous, you can get up to, natural gas, you can get a $500 rebate. It's very limited. It's a Jemena Rebate in the form of a Cash Back card, but you can now go for the first time ever from gas to gas. So long as you're storing a big old gas storage tank like what most homes have got and putting in a new instantaneous. Call us, we've got a team, we are working all the way through at the moment, and Terry and the boys, Harrison and Jerry, they will come out, they're a fabulous team, and we can get this voucher to you. It's strictly while stocks last and while Jemena have got the funds. So hurry up and call us girls. Thank you, bye.